I just will cut that out. It's here. It's outside. It's Hurricane Sandy. Help us. It already killed Matt. I can hear the wind blowing and the rain falling gently. Where's Jimmy? Where's Jimmy? Oh my god.
Wow. It's a real hurricane. You got that bush. Yeah. Wow.
So, Mr. Wally, how do you feel about the hurricane? I agree. Mr. Wally, where did you go to the hurricane? Did you go to family or did you stay in shelter? I agree. Okay, so, question. Where did you get your fur for the hurricane? What retailer did you get? Where did you get this fur? Okay, next question. Matt is still dead. For a hurricane, you gotta stock up with lots of foods. For entertainment during hurricane, you can always play good card games like Joker and 22, and like blackjacks and Koopa. Blackjack. Ta-da! Beware of dangerous situations during a hurricane, or else you could end up dying. So, in case you actually get a hurricane in your house, like Hurricane Sandy, just be calm. Don't be afraid. Just don't die. And if you just don't want to live, just go out in the hurricane with sharks in the rivers. So in case your power goes out, like mine is right now, see, I don't know what that is, Mel. We can ask our friend Jimmy. Jimmy, why is the power flickering? Keith said, I don't know, but there's the power. Hey, you.